Sahih Al-Bukhari 3192, narrated Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anha. One day the Prophet sallallaho alaihi wasallam stood up amongst us for a long period and informed us about the beginning of creation and talked about everything in detail till he mentioned how the people of paradise will enter their place and the people of hell will enter their places. Some remembered what he had said and some forgot it. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3193, narrated Abu Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala anha. Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the most superior, said, the son of Adam slights me and he do not slight me, and he disbelieves in me, and he ought not to do so. As for his slighting me, it is that he said that I have a son, and his disbelief in me is his statement that I shall not recreate him as I have created him before. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3194, narrated Abu Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala anha. Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala completed the creation, he wrote in his book, which is with him on his throne, my mercy overpowers my anger. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3195, narrated Muhammad bin Ibrahim bin Al-Haris radiyallahu ta'ala anha. Abu Salma bin Abdul Rahman, who had a dispute with some people on a piece of land, and so he went to Aisha radiyallahu ta'ala anha and told her about it. She said, O Abu Salma radiyallahu ta'ala anha, wipe the land, for Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, any person who takes even a span of land unjustly, his neck shall be encircled with it down 7 earths. Like and subscribe my channel for more hadith videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.